birthday file. It also can be printed to be used in your classroom as print and go activity. So here are the directions for you. And if you're watching the video, you clicked here. Here is the page that you would type on. From you, I added a graphic already. You type the student's name, you type your name. Here are the student direction pages. This is for the student that it's not their birthday. This is for all the other students in the class to make. So you're going to click those two pages, File, Make a Copy of Selected Slides. And I'm going to call this Ava's Birthday Book. Okay, so I know what it's being called, and it's going to make a copy of only those two pages in my Google Drive for me. So I leave the directions on for the students and parents to read. The only thing I would do as a teacher is type the name of the student, the birthday student right there, Ava, and then the students can type their own name, message here. This will be saved in your Drive. And the students will then type here and add things to it. I'll come back to showing you how the students would use it. You're going to go back to your original file. You're going to do your birthday cover the same way. File, Make a Copy, Selected Slides, and I'm going to call it Ava's Birthday Cover. Okay. And it's making a copy of it for me. You always want to keep your original separate. And then I'm going to type Ava's name here, and we have the file. So if I want to assign these pages through Google Classroom, I want to make sure I click Make a Copy of each file. So when the students get the pages, what they can do is they can type a little message like, I hope you have an amazing day. They can also add their own image. So insert image from the web. So I'm going to search balloons. And then I can look, there's a lot of different pictures of balloons I can add to it. And I'm just going to add these balloons right here. And I can center it. And the student is done. And they can send it back to you. What you want to do when you get this is you want to just click this one page and hit copy. You're not going to go to file. And then I would paste it after the done cover. So paste. And do not link original. And you're going to do that for every single page you get from the students. I would delete then the direction page. And Ava could have added herself an image also from the web. So she can do cake, let's say she wanted to do for there, or a picture of herself. And she can slide that picture of the cake right in. It's really easy to do. Start creating the image. And you can keep adding then the pages in as you go. Sorry. Let's try another one. Maybe a smaller cake. Okay. There you go. And keep going them in, and then you can email this back to the student and you'll have a completed birthday book, and they could print it at home if they like. So when this pandemic is over, if you'd like to use this in your classroom as a print and go, you can type the student's name here. You can click print, print selected page. You could download the selected page. Where is download there? Download. PDF, you could download it and print that way. So there's multiple uses for this packet, and I hope that helped you understand how to use it. Thanks, bye.